Welcome back to Factic, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in tech. In today's video, we're diving into DJI's upcoming camera lineup, and trust us, this one's packed with exciting gear for content creators, adventurers, and professionals alike. From the ultra-portable Osmo Pocket 4 to the sleek and foldable Osmo Nano, to the immersive 360-degree experience of the Osmo 360, DJI is clearly pushing creative boundaries. But that's not all. We're also breaking down the latest leaks on the Osmo Action 6, which could be a serious GoPro rival, and DJI's most ambitious move yet, a full-frame mirrorless camera that could shake up the entire industry. Whether you're a filmmaker, vlogger, or just love capturing life in motion, this lineup has something for everyone. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Factic, and ring the bell so you never miss a future update. Number 5, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 redefines compact filmmaking, delivering professional-grade results in a device that fits in your palm. It features a powerful 1.3-inch sensor, capable of shooting crisp 4K at 60 FPS and capturing detailed 48-megapixel stills. Its standout 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures rock-solid stabilization, even when you're on the move. With enhanced HDR modes and a next-gen image processor, the camera balances lighting beautifully, handling shadows and highlights with cinematic finesse. It also supports 10-bit D-Log-M, giving content creators room for advanced color grading. Features like Active Track 5.0, Motion Lapse, and Dolly Zoom open creative possibilities without requiring extra gear. The built-in touchscreen is vibrant and user-friendly, while USB-C connectivity and DJI's editing apps streamline the post-production process. Audio also gets an upgrade with directional sound tracking and built-in stereo microphones. Whether you're a travel vlogger, YouTuber, or casual creator, the Osmo Pocket 4 is a compact powerhouse that turns everyday footage into professional-looking content. Lightweight, intuitive, and packed with features, it offers an unbeatable blend of portability and pro-level performance. Number 4, the DJI Osmo 360 takes immersive content creation to a new level, delivering stunning 360-degree video in a compact, travel-friendly package. Equipped with dual 210-degree fisheye lenses, it captures detailed spherical footage at up to 5.7K 30 FPS and 4K 60 FPS. The camera features a mechanical 3-axis gimbal, ensuring buttery smooth stabilization during dynamic activities like biking, hiking, or walking. Intelligent auto-stitching lets you preview and share content without extensive post-processing, making it perfect for quick social sharing. HDR capabilities and DJI's refined color science bring cinematic quality to your videos, maintaining rich highlights and shadow detail. Advanced features like Active Track 2.0 and Auto Pan offer subject tracking and fluid movement in 360-degree scenes, while the compact foldable design makes it ultra-portable. The Osmo 360 also boasts Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C support for fast data transfer and live streaming. With dust and splash resistance, it's built for outdoor adventures. Whether you're vlogging, creating VR content, or shooting immersive travel stories, the Osmo 360 is a full-featured solution that delivers professional results without the bulk, perfect for modern creators looking to push the limits of storytelling. Number 3, the DJI Osmo Nano is built for creators who prioritize portability without sacrificing quality. Featuring a 1.3-inch sensor, this pocket-sized camera captures 4K video and 12-megapixel photos with impressive sharpness. Its foldable design makes it ultra-convenient to carry, while the 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth, shake-free footage during walking, running, or even hectic street shooting. HDR support and smart exposure settings help maintain visual balance in tricky lighting. What makes the Nano stand out is its ease of use. Voice commands, gesture controls, and auto-framing features like Active Track make filming solo a breeze. It also includes useful shooting modes like time-lapse, motion lapse, and panorama. The Nano seamlessly connects via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, enabling quick transfers, live streaming, and on-the-go edits through the DJI Fly app. With a battery that lasts up to 2.5 hours and fast charging capabilities, it's always ready to shoot. For content creators seeking a lightweight, all-in-one solution with intuitive controls and solid imaging power, the Osmo Nano is a serious contender, ideal for travel, vlogging, or spontaneous everyday storytelling. Number 2. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be a refined upgrade that builds on the strengths of its predecessor while addressing user feedback. Recent FCC and SGS filings suggest a global launch is imminent, likely in early 2025. The standout leaks hint at two battery sizes, 70 mAh and 1950 mAh, implying that DJI might release both standard and premium variants. This would be a smart move, offering users a choice between portability and extended performance. Connectivity also sees a boost with Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for faster, more stable wireless transfers and easier pairing with smartphones and accessories. The Action 6 is expected to improve in key areas like low-light performance, image stabilization, and high-resolution recording, addressing some of the Action 5 Pro's limitations. These upgrades are especially crucial for users capturing footage in dynamic, fast-paced, or low-light environments. If DJI nails the balance between compact design, smart features, and video quality, the Osmo Action 6 could become a top-tier GoPro rival. With a focus on both casual and pro users, DJI appears ready to deliver an action camera that's both powerful and practical. Number 1. DJI's rumored entry into the mirrorless camera market, possibly named the DJI Ronin mirrorless, is shaping up to be a serious industry disruptor. At its core is a 45mm full-frame sensor, potentially developed with Hasselblad, promising stunning detail with manageable file sizes. Enhanced by AI-based image processing, it may upscale 24MP shots to near 96MP clarity, delivering pro-level results while optimizing storage. On the video side, it's expected to shoot 4K at 120 FPS with Apple ProRes RAW support, appealing directly to filmmakers seeking cinematic slow motion and flexible post-production. What truly sets it apart is its rumored 4-axis in-body stabilization, borrowed from DJI's gimbal mastery, allowing buttery handheld footage without rigs. Add to that real-time AI autofocus and tracking, capable of identifying people, animals, and vehicles, and you've got a camera ready for action. The potential modular lens system supporting multiple mounts and a smartphone-style interface would further enhance usability. With 512GB internal storage, a compact form factor, and deep DJI ecosystem integration, this camera aims to be a hybrid powerhouse. If leaks hold true, DJI is about to challenge giants like Sony and Canon with innovation-first design. And that wraps up our look at DJI's powerful upcoming camera lineup. From the pocket-sized genius of the Osmo Pocket 4 to the bold leap into mirrorless territory, DJI is clearly aiming to dominate more than just the skies. If these leaks and early details prove accurate, creators of all levels are in for a serious upgrade. Whether you're shooting cinematic video, 360-degree footage, or just everyday adventures, what are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear which DJI camera you're waiting for. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Factic for more tech insights, gear reviews, and hands-on coverage of the world's most innovative gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.